Okay, hey guys, welcome back. So, let's get started. We're almost finished with the game. We gotta finish it. We're almost finished. Gotta finish this. I swear. This is a last play. Last play. Okay, just put the handgun away. Put it away. Put it away. Put these away. We need lots of healing items. I'm gonna use this one. I don't need it. Frick. What? Oh. Well, I'll use this. Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Hurry. Can't just waste minutes. Magnum? With the defense gun? Magnum bullets? Wow. They only got 18 bullets? Holy shit. I don't think I can even survive that. Oh, I'll take the pistol with me. I'll take the pistol with me. Self-defense gun. And we're gonna go right over here. Press switch. Yes! My last part. My last part is the end. Jill. Hey, where the fuck? Yeah, let's go, baby. Okay, 2 minutes. And there's Wesker.
Wesker!
Thank you, Barry.
Oh, Barry, you new.
Oh, don't blame Barry forever.
I hate you, Albert. You suck, eh?
I hear that his better half and 2 lovely daughters will be in danger if he doesn't do everything I tell him.
I'm just gonna skip it, me.
Well, you shouldn't worry too much, dear.
The battery's running out. I don't have time for the watch the cutscene.
Why eliminate stars?
Believe it or not, that's Umbrella's intention.
You're just a slave of Umbrella.
Smart girl, but I think you misunderstand. The things you mentioned right now. I'll burn all of them along with this entire laboratory. Barry, go up on the ground and wait there.
Barry.
We gotta love Barry. He must really be afraid of Umbrella.
You and Umbrella took his family. You bastard. Oh,
Bitch slap.
Umbrella? Well, I used some carrots and sticks to cow him, but it had nothing to do with Umbrella. I just used Barry for my personal interests. Though both you and Barry seem to think I was following Umbrella's orders.
what? What are you planning?
I guess it's time for show and tell.
Show and tell, biatch. And guess what? It's the tyrant! We got to the tyrant! Oh. Oh my god, he's pretty huge. Okay.
It's magnificent.
For the sake of this thing.
It's tyrant!
You know, I hate guns.
Ooh! 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 Barry shot the F out of Wesker.
Barry!
Whoa, how...
Forgive.
I'll forgive you.
No, you're not to blame. It's Umbrella and Wesker.
I gotta skip this.
Family, I couldn't bear turning my back on my friends again.
Then you press the button. Oh, what a noob. That's just wasting my time, man. I can't do this. Okay, I gotta skip it. Let's just fight him. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. There's Barry. Oh, come on! Oh no, what the frick? Watch it. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh danger, holy crap, for sake. Yep, he's down. But not out. There's Barry, but I'm not getting him yet. Yeah, you got some report of it, but I don't need that. It's just wasting my time. Yes. Get Barry. Come here. Okay, we're running out of time. We gotta go. Hurry. First I need to save. We don't need this. Go! Shit! It's wasting my time. Run! Run the orgy! Idiot. 9 minutes. Shit. Oh, shit! I'll try to make it on my next video. Okay. The door's locked through me, and you know who the frick is in here? Take a wild guess. It's frickin' Chris! Now we gotta get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.